Assalamu alaikum, friends, and peace be upon you. Shalom, shalom, namaste, jai jinendra, sat sri akal, all the different ways I can greet you. It's about peace building in America, and for that Muslims from around the country are gathering up here in Washington DC on the mall, and here is Bassem, who is the organizer of the event. Bassem, tell us about what's going on.
Well, Assalamu alaikum, peace be upon you. My name is Bassem Shaban. I'm Executive Director of American Islam, and we're getting prepared for tomorrow's big day, game day, for the March for America event. Americans standing against terrorism, hate, and violence here and around the world. We are standing together as Muslims, Christians, Jews, Hindus, Sikhs, black, white, red, Latino,
Every American.
people from any other place around the world. We have Americans coming from all over the country to stand together on a show of solidarity against the issues that are facing our nation, and demanding from our leaders to be responsible, to take the country on a new direction focused on peace, unity, and harmony. And we would love to see everybody out here. It's a free event taking place Saturday, July 23rd, from 5 to 9:30 in the evening, based on speakers from all walks of life, all traditions, and many religious representatives.
Bassem, in the backdrop of this stage,
Absolutely.
is the Capitol Hill you see in the back.
Yep.
And on the other end of the Capitol Hill, I'm going to turn around, and that is the Washington Memorial. And exactly in November last year, we held a march against ISIS right there, and
Right.
now we are seeing this. This is a great event,
Absolutely.
and we are fully supportive of this. And we invite Muslims, non-Muslims, every American to
Absolutely.
join as a solidarity towards creating a safe, secure America for everyone.
Yes, and we look forward to having Mr. Mike Gauss come out as one of the speakers with rabbis and reverends and pastors and imams, really standing together to send this message loud and clear that Islam, just like all other religions, are against terrorism, hate, and violence. And we look forward to seeing you tomorrow at 5 at the National Mall in front of the Capitol building.
Thank you. What about the parking and the train? How do they get here?
The best way is through Metro. Most people who know DC, it's hard to find parking, but the Metro is the best way. Walking, there's
Come to the
any
Union Station.
accommodations. Yeah, any accommodations that you feel is best for you. You can go to marchforamerica.us to get all the details about the event, the speakers, and how to even register if you haven't done so already. I look forward to seeing you out here.
Thank you, Bassem.
Thank you.
And my friends, fellow Americans, you have been asking, where are Muslims? We are here.
Here we are.
Standing
Yes.
right with you. We need you to join us tomorrow in thousands of numbers.
Yes, absolutely.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. See you there.